you are looking to learn Arabic calligraphy in the Nastaliq and Farsi script, then this video is for you. Hey everybody, this is Muhammad Harun from Canvas Wonders, helping you create something worth wonders today. For those of you that don't know who I am and are new here, I'm an Arabic calligrapher and a self-taught graphic designer. I help people beautify their homes with Arabic calligraphic artworks, and here on YouTube, I help people learn calligraphy with useful tips and tutorials. If that's something that interests you, then make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon not to miss another video. Today's lesson, we will learn how to script the two forms of the letter Ba. Let's get started.
Create the first marking point of the letter Ba like so, halfway down the line. Then bring the stroke down and across into a slight curve. As you curve your stroke, change the direction of the nib as you go along until it's a 90-degree angle to complete the letter. The letter Ba looks a bit like a boat. Leave half a unit space below the first marking point. 5 units in length. Leave a space of a unit for the dots and make sure the dot or dots are centered. Two units in height. And 1 unit in depth. For the Ba Kasheeda, 9 to 11 units in width, 1.5 in depth, and leave 1 unit space at the beginning and end. When placing a dot above or below, make sure to leave a unit space and center the dot in the middle.
I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Question of the day. What is your favourite Arabic calligraphy script? Let me know in the comment section below so I can make more videos around this. Like if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and check out the other videos I have on this channel, because I'm sure they'll bring you a lot of value. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, may peace be with you.